This time I want to show you something cool using the Pixelate patch you can find in the Spark AR library. So let's go ahead and start from a new template, background template. If you don't know how to get here, just go on File, New from Template, and click on Background. So we get here, let's going to delete this replace me, and let's go ahead and add something from the IR library. Patch assets, shaders. I want you to grab the Pixelate patch. I want you to grab our favorite Tritone color patch. I want you to grab a gradient, and let's also grab some dots. So we're pretty much done. Let's just connect them together. Click on the background material, click on texture, put this up a little bit for clear view, and then just add a pixelate camera texture, and like this you're gonna get a, no, you can't see it, let's change the model here. As you can see, the background is being pixelated. You can change the amount inside here, but what's cool, what I want you to do is grab our Tritone color shader little friend and connect the output into texture, and then the camera texture inside texture, and you get this little cool effect we have already made in my previous tutorial, but also using Pixelate friend. And of course you can change all the colors and everything. You can put the camera texture inside some shadows and light if you want, you know, to give it like a little bit of reality. And then what you can do is also patch up our cool friend here, the 4 gradients, and we can go and change those with a cool gradient, or you can also try to add the dots and see if it works. As you can you see it in the background a little bit? We have dots being processed by our pixels, which is pretty cool. Of course, you can change the color of your dots if you want. Pretty cool effect going on here. You can change the dot scale to something a little less visible. You know, it is a cool little patch already. You can spice it up a little bit more by adding an image you can create, or maybe you just download it. I downloaded this, I like it, let's try it. Let's import it, no compressions. I want to grab this image and insert here in a patch editor, and now I can use this image to process some of our colors here. So I can go inside here, let's say, I can go in all of these colors, and I can go straight here. As you can see, many results happen. Of course you can do way more. If you want to add the sequence animation instead of just a static animation, let's add a animation sequence. Then I want to add a something from my computer, like another image. This one, open, You want to turn the type of your image in sprite sheet. You got your little sequence, and then you can go on animation sequence and click on that. You want to drag the animation sequence inside the patch editor and start connecting this as well from the RGB. As you can see, it's being processed. So, of course, if you don't want to see the user, you have just to go here on user canvas and delete it. At this point, of course, it will be more of a problem to see the user. Of course, you can, you know, just mess around with the background material. You can add a loop animation with a 2 range to go from a value to another of your pixelate patch, just like this. Let's say 40 to 10, and I want to plug this inside the amount, and of course this cool little thing is gonna happen, and that's it. I'm gonna post a link download for this project as always. Subscribe if you like this kind of tutorial, and you're gonna see new ones soon. Thank you for watching. See you soon, guys.